Hi, Matt Capell here with Capell Flooring and Interiors. Hey, welcome to our showroom. Anyway, hey, sometimes this can be a little confusing, so I want to try to talk about this. Sometimes people will say, hey, tell me about Phenix, or tell me about this brand or that brand or whatever. And they want to say, hey, is this brand all good? Is this brand all bad? Is this brand... They want to put it in a nice little box and a little ribbon and bow on it. I think a good analogy, for example, we really like Phenix. We really like all the carpet mills that we sell in our showroom, because if not, we wouldn't sell them. But that being said, just like in cars, for example, let's take a Ford. They have entry-level cars and they have high-end expensive cars, right? Different costs, different price points, different qualities, right? Carpet's the same way. You know, not everybody can afford that $100 a square yard carpet, including myself. And so they have entry-level things, and then they have nice things, and they have things in between. If something's made for like entry-level or apartment-grade carpet, it's not going to be quite so nice. Does that mean that that carpet mill is bad? No, not necessarily. It just means that style is fit for a certain target market. And so you can't really say, okay, this mill's bad, this mill's good, this and that, because they all make a wide range of carpet depending on your need and what you need for your house or your family or your project or what you're doing. So I just wanted to kind of clear that out, because I feel like every carpet that we have in our store, every mill is a good mill. If not, we wouldn't sell them or promote them. But every carpet from a particular mill isn't necessarily the best, but it might be the best for you or for your home or your situation and your budget. So hopefully that helps. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment, like, or share below, and I'll be sure to answer your question. Thanks so much.